What's up, guys? This is Patrick coming to you from PCB Reflection, and today we got a beautiful Harley Davidson Tri Glide. This bike was purchased brand new from our local upstate Harley Davidson dealership. Big Bill brought this bad boy to us in need of paint protection film, ceramic coating, full polish out, the works. He wanted to protect this bike for years to come. Check it out. Here's what we got, guys. So we did this front fairing. This front fairing is 3 pieces. It wraps the edges here, it comes up around through here. It wraps down through here, it comes up and spreads out. We brought the lines to the edge. Got a nice seamless look here. On these, on the same deal over here, this one wraps around the edges here and comes all the way out. We did the 5 lights. The entire lens has been covered in paint protection film. We did the in front fender. We removed this chrome running light, tucked the paint protection film down in this light, brought this back up, brought the line all the way back up and over in the back side of the fender, guys. So almost it can't even be noticed that it's there. Really clean install on the front fender. That's a difficult one for you. You won't get that one on your first try. This is like our 8th bike, so we knew exactly how to go about it. We got the lower fork clamps. We got the cowbells, the upper lower portion of the fork, the lower portion of the fork. All that's wrapped in Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Bring them around here, JT. Let's talk about these. Let's talk about these lower fairings here. So the lower fairing it's a multi-piece design. We've got the upper part, the middle part here, the lower part. JT, can they get all this right here?
Yeah.
See, we got this piece here. We got this all through here, and then we also got this right here as well. So this was all a kit that we installed for a near seamless look. Now this is a lot of curvature here, so there are some lines. You cannot go about doing this without lines. You're going to have them, but all of our lines butt up meet, so it gives it a more seamless look. Come on back around here, JT, bring them over here. All right, so the tank kit. There's 2 portions that we do the tank kit. Let's bring them in here right here and show them this, JT. So we've got a small portion that we can do here, and then we got a larger portion. Now Bill wants to do the larger portion, and I don't blame him, I would too. This larger portion comes all the way up through here. It saves your legs and all from rubbing the paint. This does a phenomenal job of protecting the ends of the paint there from your blue jeans and your legs. Around the side here, so as your passenger sits with their foot on the floorboards here, this area here is subject for scratching. We've wrapped this entire piece with Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Also, what Bill doesn't know we did, but he's going to find out shortly when he gets here, we did this insert for Bill. So all this piece here is covered with Xpel paint protection film. We also did the entire fender. Now this was a custom piece. We did a template and made this piece. It meets the line here, comes out to the edge, runs all the way up, and it stops at the top of the fender. These fenders on these Tri Glides, if you're out at bike night or wherever you are, look at these Tri Glides, look at how bad these fenders get beat up. These things are eat up. Bill's will never be that way. So we got that coming around. We also ceramic coated his wheels. Come around this side, JT. We did the entire bike in a Ceramic Pro ceramic coating. Looks phenomenal here. We did the top of the luggage kit here we did. Which protected that from if Bill wanted to sit something on the luggage rack for whatever reason or whatever the case may be. This has been covered in Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film as well. So this bike has been pretty well protected. It's good to go for years to come. Bill's going to have the ease of maintenance on this bike. He's not going to worry with having to scrub the bug guts off of it or any of that stuff there. He's going to be able to release the bugs after long rides, which is a great thing about a ceramic coating. And the paint protection film is going to stop the rock chips and road debris damage. So if you're looking to protect your Harley Davidson or any bike for that matter, give us a shout. We'll take care of you. We've got some information and pre-cut templates and all that stuff that is included with our paint protection film kits. So give us a shout. I'm Patrick. You can reach us at 864-640-1467. Thank you.